Hi, my name is Jesse Sloan, and this is a special presentation for Nebraska residents. I'm director of the American Association for Long-Term Care Insurance, as well as the National Advisory Center for Short-Term Care Information. Our organizations do not sell insurance. We advocate and we educate both consumers and insurance professionals. So, after watching this video, if you have any questions, please speak to the insurance pro that suggested you watch, or if you want to be connected with one, call the association at 818-597-3205, and we'll be glad to help you. So every day our phone rings with consumers or family members of consumers who are frustrated. They are looking to do some long-term care planning, but they've waited too long. They're too old to qualify for traditional insurance, or more often than not, they have existing health issues that will not enable them to get this kind of coverage. So again, we don't work for any particular insurance company, but one that we spotted has a policy that I think would be of interest to you. It's Kemper. It's an A-rated company. They have a home health care policy with some added benefits. Let me go over them briefly. The home health care benefit pays a reimbursement, or basically it's an indemnity plan, which means it will pay you cash even if Medicare or your other health insurance pays. It pays $150 maximum per day for up to 360 days. That's the equivalent of $54,000. And as you can see on this slide, there are a variety of services that are covered for each day. The policy also includes a home health care aide benefit. Very simply, for every day that you require the services of a home health care aide, you'll be reimbursed $40 for up to 60 days. One of the features that I think is rather unique about this policy is the prescription drug indemnity benefit. That's a mouthful, but indemnity means that they're going to pay you back cash. Let me explain exactly how that works. Again, this is a rough overview, and you should read the policy brochure and the policy itself to get a full definition of how it works in your particular state. But very simply, the insurance company, you're going to submit your receipts. The insurance company is going to base what they pay you off the retail cost of the drug, because they are assuming that you are going to take this medication for the full year. So after they apply a deductible and a co-insurance, and again, this can vary from state to state, you're going to get paid back. So, in essence, after looking at this, if your prescription drugs would cost several $100s a year, this policy is going to reimburse you up to the maximum limit. Could be $250, in some states it's $300. That makes this very attractive for many, many people who take prescription drugs. I mentioned that this policy has some added benefits, and this slide basically covers the highlights of those benefits. So, if you go for an annual physical exam, starting after the first 12 months, you're going to be reimbursed up to $150. Vision exam, and $75 for lenses and frames. Hearing exam, $250 for a hearing aid. So, these added benefits, if you or your parent have some of these expenses on a regular basis, the added benefits part of this policy is well worth looking into. These charts are taken directly from the insurance company brochure, and they tell you exactly what you're going to be paying based on your age. So if you're 65 to 70, you're going to be paying basically anywhere from $36 if you just take the base policy a month, up to $59.85 if you take the home health care with the extra benefits amount. But you're going to see exactly what it's going to cost you. What really should make this of interest to many people is the simplified application. There are 5 yes/no health questions, and as long as you can answer no to all 5, and if you want, pause the video and you can read them to yourself right now. If you can answer no to all 5 of these questions, you are 90 to 95% on your way to being approved for this coverage. So again, I want to thank you for watching this video. Talk to the insurance agent who shared this with you. Get a copy of the brochure for yourself to read. And if you don't have an agent that you're working with and you want to be connected with one, call the advisory center at 818-597-3205, and we'll get you the information and the professional that you need to be working with. Thanks again for watching.